goes out every day, about 10 to 5. My baby goes out every day, about 10 to 5. And you can set your clock to when the first high ball arrives. Every bartender in town knows my baby's name.
Is it Louise?
Every bartender in town knows my baby's name.
Sandy? Dale? George?
And by 6:30 she'll be lit up like a house of flames. By 9 o'clock, she's calling, baby, let me in. By 9 o'clock, she's calling, baby, let me in. Looking like a rail from the devil on a river of gin. Well, it's happy hour. My baby goes up to play. Happy hour. Make my hair turn gray. Happy hour. Longest hour of the day. Well, that woman just can't be found anytime the sun goes down. Well, I walk down Cedar Road, looking at every place I pass. Cedar Road? Yeah, in fact, I walk down Cedar Road, looking at every place I pass. Well, I guess by now she'll be swimming in her cocktail glass. Well, sometimes I wonder why I can't find that woman at home. Sometimes I wonder why I can't find that woman at home. Well, all she ever tells me is she can't stand drinking alone. Well, happy hour, baby goes up to play. Happy hour, baby can get to the game. Happy hour, longest hour of the day. Well, that woman just can't be found anytime the sun goes down. 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 Anytime that sun goes down. Anytime that sun goes down.